So guys, first you have to come this site dell.com, this officially website, so you can download the latest driver. After that, click on support, then driver and download. Then enter the model number Dell Inspiron 3452 and then click search. So this is your laptop. Now this is a two method to install the automatic update, so just click on it. Otherwise this is a manually. If you are facing the specific device like cameras and internet and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you have to select this. Select the operating system which is you are using. Okay, and if you can see Windows 11 is not showing here, and if you are using Windows 11, so you no worry, you just select the Windows 10. It will support the Windows 11. Okay, and then click on categorize. Scroll down. In the network, an Ethernet wireless. So this is a Bluetooth driver. Okay, and always try to latest driver. Okay, it release like this, and this is download icon. So just click on download. When you click to download, it will start driver in download box. So after the download, how to install, I will show you. You can see more informations about it. This is versions, driver versions. Then it is completed. Bluetooth driver. Just click on it. Then click on yes. Then if you want to extend after that install, otherwise you install directly, just click on in the install. After that you can see, so click on next. Now this is installing. Okay, next. I accept, then next. Okay, customize, next, and install. So you can see Bluetooth driver has successfully installed, and then click on finish and then close. So after the completed all the method and task, you just restart your system.